Hey everybody, and welcome to this TradeUI options tutorial and breakout scanner tutorial for this platform. I'm going to be covering just a little bit of basic here of what the benefits of this breakout scanner do and how it can help you. It's pretty self-explanatory. Now, these are real-time alerts that come in as they come in through the day before the market closes or in the pre-market and so on and so forth. As you can see, you can be following these pretty simply. And what it means is that, let's say you see a ticker that's moving $5 to $10 in the after hours, or even just a few pennies, even 5, 10 cents up and up and up. A $4 and $50 stock going to $5, and you have 10, 20 shares and so on, you're getting 50 cents per each share in just minutes. That can add up to a lot of monies if you capitalize on these moves through this breakout scanner. There's also other filters coming too from analysts, sweep scanners, earnings, high volume, gainers, losers, low floats, and just penny stock filtering as well. Doesn't have to be penny stocks, could be something more significant, and you can play the option sweeps on those particular tickers. That's about all I wanted to cover in this video to show you guys that it does have a nice live real-time alerts scanner that you can be utilizing through this platform. Thanks for listening in and have a great day.